Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. A number when divided by 39 gives 54 as the question and 21 as the remainder. So we have to find that number. So we all know that if any number is written in this form a multiplied by b plus c, then we can say that here n is our required number or sometimes called as the dividend and a is the quotient, then b is our divisor and c is the remainder. So this is the format. Now quotient, divisor and remainder is given in the question and we have to find the number. Let us substitute the value. So here 54 is divided by 39 means 54 is the quotient and divisor here is 39 because we are dividing the number by 39 plus remainder is 21. So the number becomes, if we simplify it, it becomes 2127. So correct answer is option A. Hence we can say that the answer is option A.